In today's society, home security is crucial. With just a few components, we will create our own security system based on the ESP32 camera module. If the intruder steps on the doormat or comes within the sensing range of the PIR motion sensor, the device will snap a picture of the person and email it to you. The components required for this project are an ESP32 camera module, PIR motion sensors, 1K resistor, BC547 transistor, 100 microfarad capacitor, and a doormat. Let's get started. After a little soldering, we arrived at this. The PIR sensor will trigger the camera whenever motion is detected. We are done with the PIR sensor part. Now it is time to add the dormant circuit. For the doormat, I connected 4 tactile switches in parallel. I glued the switches to a piece of cardboard. When someone steps on the doormat, the switches will activate, and this will trigger the camera. I extended the switch wires from the doormat to the camera. The camera can be triggered using either the motion sensor or the doormat, depending on the application. After connecting everything, it's time to do some packaging. Now our system is ready. If the intruder steps on the doormat or comes within the sensing range of the PIR motion sensor, the device will snap a picture of the person and email it to you. For testing, I place this extension board in front of the camera and trigger the camera with the motion sensor. The camera has captured the object in front of it and is sending it to my email account. Bravo! We received the captured image. The camera can be triggered using the PIR motion sensor or the doormat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.